We are from Group 2 for LEX 2063 Tech Talk. This is our third video, and in this video we are going to discuss about the second gadget, which is mobile phone. We are going to discuss about the types of and uses of mobile phones, history of mobile phones, effects of mobile phones, and features of mobile phones. Before that, let me introduce to my group members. Myself, Nutan Mutalagan. My metric number is B10856.
Hi, my name is Nurul Nadia Antigalmadi and my metric number is B10859.
Hi, I'm Devasri Sandra Morgan and my metric number is B10852.
Hi, my name is Imelda Alexan and my metric number is B10851.
Okay, I will talk about the history of mobile phones. The history of mobile phones covers mobile communication devices that connect wirelessly to the public switch telephone network. Mobile phones, particularly the smartphones that have become our inseparable companions today, are relatively new. However, the history of mobile phones goes back to 1908 when a US patent was issued in Kentucky for a wireless telephone. Mobile phones were invented as early as the 1940s when engineers working at AT&T developed cells for mobile phone base stations. The very first mobile phones were not really mobile phones at all. They were two-way radios that allowed people like taxi drivers and the emergency service to communicate. Instead of relying on the stations with spread cells and the signal being passed from one cell to another, the first mobile phone network involved one very powerful base station covering a much wider area. Motorola, on 3 April 1973, the first company to mass produce the first handheld mobile phone. Martin Cooper, the Motorola made the first publicized handheld mobile phone called on a prototype Dynatec model on 3 April 1973. These early mobile phones are often referred to as zero-G mobile phones or zero-generation mobile phones. Most phones today rely on 3G or 4G mobile technology. Modern mobile telephone service use a cellular network architecture, and therefore mobile telephones are called cellular telephones or cell phones in North America. In addition to telephony, 2000s era mobile phones support a variety of other services such as text messaging, MMS, email, internet access, short-range wireless communications, inferred Bluetooth, business applications, video games, and digital photography. Mobile phones offering only those capabilities are known as feature phones. Mobile phones which offer greatly advanced computing capabilities are referred to as smartphones. The development of metal oxide semiconductor, large-scale integration technology, information theory, and cellular networking led to the development of affordable mobile communications. The first handheld mobile phone was demonstrated by John F. Mitchell and Martin Cooper on Motorola in 1973 using a handset weighing 2 kilograms. In 1979, Nippon Telegraph and Telephone (NTT) launched the world's first cellular network in Japan. In 1983, the Dynatec 8000X was the first commercially available handheld mobile phone. From 1983 to 2014, worldwide mobile phone subscription grew to over 7 billion, enough to provide one for every person on Earth. In the first quarter of 2016, the top smartphone developers worldwide were Samsung, Apple, and Huawei. Smartphone sales represented 78% of total mobile phone sales. For virtual phone, as of 2016, the largest were Samsung, Nokia, and Alcatel. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to talk about types and uses of mobile phone. Today, users of mobile phone can be compared with a computer. Modern mobile phone has all the facilities that a computer had. Mobile phone usage is taking a lead to a computer that is small in size, light in weight, and can operate with minimum power. Mobile phone has limited capacity and speed. It is handled in dialing, talking, making video film, emailing, sending pictures, and more. Firstly, mobile phones are being extensively. For example, mobile used by students at all levels, doctors, engineers, servicemen, jobbers, and common people in their daily activity. Secondly, mobile phones are not limited to speaking only. It can use in making video, recording information, and transfer to a computer. Other facilities like online chatting, conference call, sending text, and many more. There are few types of mobile phone. First, smartphone are high specification phone that operate like miniature computers, usually connect to the internet and relieve mails. Example, iPhone and Android phone. Secondly, camera phone come with a built-in camera. Some phones are reaching the 12 megapixel mark. Thirdly, music phone will ideally have a good MP3 or audio player and enough memory. Fourthly, 3G phones designed to work on the 3G system. It also faster communication and frequently feature internet browsing and video call. The brand of mobile phone, for example, Apple, Huawei, Samsung, Asus, Nokia, Lenovo, Oppo, Vivo, and many more. So far, that's all from me. Thank you.
So next up, I'm going to talk about features of mobile phones. So even before the mobile phone can be used, there has to be connection to it. This connection is provided by an operator or a carrier. For example, on a GSM networks, the user is issued with a SIM card, which will provide the subscription and the connection. Once the SIM card is inserted to the phone, the services of that network can be accessed by the subscriber. Many mobile phones provide auto roaming such that the phone can be used in other countries as well. Most of the phones of the present day have many features in common. These features therefore can be termed as the general features. Some of the general features that mobile phones have are as follows. The mobile phones of these days not only support calls but also facilitate other operations. This includes sending and receiving of faxes in case it is connected to a computer. The phones can be also used for sending and receiving short text messages known as short text service. Connection to the internet can be also had by means of GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. The other trivial features of the phones may include the calculator, the clock, alarm, and phone book. This way, the mobile phone can be used as a personal organizer. Many of the phones also allow the user to play games. Nowadays, the connection provides many features such as download of ringtone, wallpapers, logos, and screensavers. This is mainly to serve the people who would want their phones to make a fashion statement. Current models have facilitated the sending and receiving of pictures. Many of newest models come equipped with a camera of a high resolution, such as pixel camera. Video recording is possible. Such short pictures and video can be sent to other people. This service is called multimedia messaging service. Multimode phones are designed to work more than one GSM network. These multimode phones are very valuable to enable roaming. Every network will have its own standards. The challenge of designing a multimode phone is to find a way such that the components can be shared between the different standards. Many latest mobile networks now use one of two standards, mainly GSM or CDMA. Cell phones are used as a powerful means of communication these days. Transfer of data such as SMS message, browsing of website, browsing of audio and video files are new features of mobile phones. This disadvantage of using mobile phones for services such as email is that they make phone vulnerable to viruses and worms. Bluetooth is a mean of wireless communication which enables transfer of data between mobile phones, laptop computers, and cameras and printers. So far, that's all from me. Thank you.
Lastly, I would like to talk about effects of mobile phones. We have admit that our life without a mobile phone is impossible. But no matter how useful they might be, we cannot ignore the underlying negative effects they carry with them. Firstly, addiction. Mobile phone addiction is a thing. Nomophobia is a proposed name for the phobia of being out of the cell phone context. 50% of teenagers admit to being addicted to their phones. Studies show that people addicted to mobile phone often are linked to depression and other mental disorder. Secondly, waste of time. The average person checks his phone once every 12 minutes, leading to 80 times a day. Most of the time, people just check their phones. Thirdly, cause of depression. Lead to depression, especially among teens. With the range of social media, teenagers are becoming obsessed with likes on their personal post. Moreover, reduced daily life interaction lead to loneliness. Finally, distraction. People cannot execute the fact that mobile phones are huge distraction. Students especially have to go through the order of giving the phone to their parents just to say they may be focused on the studies. Thank you.
In overall conclusion, we can understand more detailedly about mobile phone. That's all from us for today. Our group discussion will be continue in next week. It's about third gadget, which is tablet. So until that, stay tuned and do support. Thank you for watching.